Hello healthy fam, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the healthiest pancake ever, and trust me, with this recipe you would never want to stop eating pancakes. Hit the subscribe button to join this family, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So the first thing I got was my all-purpose flour. So I could suggest you could get oat flour or almond flour, but this is a good one that you can always have, and then it's easy to get, so that is why I use this all-purpose flour. Then the next thing I got was my egg, and I'm using just one egg for this pancake, and I cracked it in and made sure I mixed everything properly to get all of them incorporated. So like I said, if you want to hop this a bit and make it super healthy, you can opt for almond flour or oat flour. Both of them, they are perfect for your pancake recipe and they are absolutely delicious. But I had to use this all-purpose flour because this is the one that is very common and easy to get. So I incorporated it properly, and then I proceeded to mixing it. And after I made a little dough out of it, and you can see how thick it is, I added just a little warm water, or probably lukewarm I should say, just a little, just to allow me properly mix all of them, and voila, this is how it is. And then I proceeded to add in 2 tablespoons of my natural honey. This honey is super healthy and absolutely natural, not mixed. So this is the 2nd tablespoon, and afterwards I went ahead to add the star of this pancake, which is my Vengeance unsweetened Greek yogurt. Remember, I said this is a no sugar, no milk recipe, so I added this very thick, creamy and healthy Greek yogurt to this pancake batter, and afterwards I made sure I properly mix all of them together. Guys, this is already looking so delicious, and the batter was so thick. You can see it from the stirring process. It was so thick, and I kept on stirring until all of them were properly mixed. So like I said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, join this healthy family, and also give this video a thumbs up to support what we do here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we make a new post. Then I added more water, and you can see I added the water little by little, and this is the consistency I was looking for. Absolutely thick but still a bit light, and this is perfect for me. And then we moved to our frying. I greased my hot pan with some olive oil. I actually use olive oil to grease it, and then I started adding my pancake batter with my spoon. You can see the portion I added just to give that a very small. I didn't want the pancake to be very large, so I just wanted a medium. And afterwards I allowed it to fry properly, and then I flipped it to the other side because it was already golden brown and looking so beautiful. Guys, you are definitely going to love this recipe. Can you just see? If by now you haven't smashed that like button, I really don't know what you're waiting for. So I am totally loving the look of these pancakes. Guys, you definitely ought to try this recipe right away. It is super healthy, and I actually did all of those pancake sizes for all until the batter was done, and I went ahead to garnish it. Now there is nothing I could probably do without adding fruits. Yes, I love adding fruits to my snack, and guys, I took it for breakfast. This looks so good that I couldn't just avoid to take some shots. You know how we are now. I cannot come and carry last, guys. I had to take a bite of this before I start salivating, and my goodness, this pancake was so yummy. I couldn't resist and I ate every single bit immediately. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and if you have any beautiful comments about today's video, please drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you again, to stay healthy and blessed. Bye.